Smoking, and especially vaping, as per a recent study, cause mucociliary dysfunction, extra sticky, slimy mucus where our lungs are overproducing it. You want to make sure you work out, stay hydrated to reduce that likelihood of it being a chronic case of sticky, icky mucus. Try Better Lungs. The ingredient that mainly works for this is going to be mullein, nature's mucus melting extraordinaire, and then you have a bunch of antioxidant sources like pine bark, elderberry, American ginseng, all of which help with circulation and other ancillary functions that our lungs require.